Have you ever seen someone walk into the room and you think, wow, they're confident? Hi, I'm Betsy Clark, your mindset coach for another So What Wednesday. And I want to talk to you about levels of confidence and why it's important to put it on the context of levels of confidence as opposed to just a blanket statement, she's confident, she's not. Because we all have fluctuations in our level of confidence. And I would love to pitch out to you, what are some of the tricks you use to keep your level of confidence high? I know that one of the things that we can do is, or one of the strategies I use with my clients is, there's a link between our competency level and our confidence level. When we increase our competency, our level of confidence goes up. And inversely, when our competency is not as high as it could be, it impacts our confidence levels as well. We're not as confident as we could be. So, competency, learning a skill, learning more about what it is you do, learning more on how to be an expert in your vocation can really increase your confidence level. It's interesting. I had 3 clients this week call me at various times and to sort of talk them off the proverbial ledge, if you will. And what was fun and exciting for me as a coach is after only a couple of minutes of asking them questions, all 3 of these women were able to rebound quickly. And so that's really what I want to stress is when we work on our competency skills and our confidence levels, the lows aren't quite as low, and the time that we're in those valleys of self-doubt and questioning ourselves and allowing our confidence levels to get dinged and dinged and dinged again, the impact and the gap isn't quite as big. And so that's really what I want to challenge you to is take a look at, do you have strategies in place when your confidence has been dinged? Do you have people who can be the voice of reason? Do you have strategies that you can leverage to help you get out of those less than confident loops, if you will? So I would love to have you share what resonated on this short little video. What are some of the tips and tricks you use to keep your confidence levels higher than letting them dip lower than you're comfortable with? And share them with us because, there's that collaborative wisdom. We each have learned things in our past that could be beneficial for one another. So that's really what I would love to do is have this be a place where we can learn from one another. Leave your comments below. Again, Betsy Clark, your mindset coach. I'm a firm believer that our mindset matters. I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll be in touch soon. Have a great week.